Hello lovely students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Ghalib's English School. So in Ghalib's English School we offer a variety of English courses. But before I start my today's lesson, let me tell you that what was the reason we have been so late promoting and producing this video, because we were busy in opening a new center in the heart of city of Derby. And there's a good news, we have successfully opened this center. And there are a variety of courses right from primary age group up to university level. We are promoting our social media on Instagram and Facebook page, so you can access us there as well. So today's lesson, before I start, I would like you to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon down below. You can get all the updates. And let's get started. What are adjectives? Adjectives are describing words that describe persons, places, and things. So there are different types of adjectives. The first one is descriptive adjectives, or we can also call it qualitative adjectives. Descriptive adjectives show us the quality of someone or something. For example, Johnny is a brave boy. Jenny is an intelligent girl. Nottingham is a very busy place. So these are your adjectives which tell you about the quality of someone, something, or somewhere. The next type of adjectives are, for example, quantitative adjectives. So from the word quantitative, you can understand that what does it mean? What is meant by quantitative means how much quantity has been used, how much quantity is being talked about. So, she ate half of my pizza. So if we talk about the pizza, how much she ate? Half of it. Full? No, half of it. So that is the quantity. Or I can say that he has been waiting here for 4 hours. How long he's been waiting here? 4 hours, 2 hours, 3 hours. That shows the quantity of something. The next type of adjectives are numeral adjectives. They tell us the number of or serial order of persons or things. Then we have their different types. So the first one is definite numeral adjectives. For example, from 1, 2, 3, 4, or if we talk about, for example, sequence, firstly, secondly, thirdly, or finally, and then we have, for example, indefinite numeral adjectives where we are not sure, that much, more, many. So these are your numeral adjectives which we use in our day-to-day language, whether it's spoken or it's written. I hope you understand that. The next type of adjectives are demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative, from the word demonstrate, we can understand demonstrate means to show. So demonstrative adjectives, they tell us about the things. For example, this boy, this girl, that girl, those houses, these buildings. So these adjectives, they basically point out to someone or something. The next type of adjectives are interrogative adjectives. Now, you're going to be thinking about that, why do we use interrogative adjectives? Obviously, when we use questions, then we use these adjectives. Interrogative adjectives, they tell us about more information about a particular person or a thing. For example, what is your name? Where are you from? Where is this place? So these are your adjectives. The next type of adjectives, they are possessive adjectives. Now, from the word possessive, you can tell I've been describing them in different parts of speech. Possessive is used for the things you own, means possession. So possessive adjectives, they are my, his, her. These are the words we use in a sentence before a noun called possessive adjectives. This is my bag, that's hers. So these are the examples. Guys, I hope you enjoy them. Make sure you understand them and use them in a day-to-day language, whether it's spoken, whether it's written, and try to identify them when you are reading an article in a newspaper or a paragraph or a passage in a given book. Before I finish, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because you're going to get all the updates for my upcoming videos.